materialist, Priscilla, the Bacopina, Ignacio, the drawer, Darling, the writer, and Aaron, the helper, which is the reporter. Our question is, how does the angle of the temperature, the sunlight affects the temperature? Our equipment was construction paper, scissors, tape, 3 thermometers, and glue. Our method was step 1. In the middle, we cut a slot of the construction paper. Step 2, we put the thermometers in and tape them. 3, we went outside and put them in different ways. Like so. So these are the thermometers. Step 4. We wrote down the temperature of the thermometers. Our prediction was, if the sunlight increases, the temperature changes because the sunlight hits the thermometers. Our result was true because the temperature was going higher and the thermometers changes.
What do you say your hypothesis was?
Our hypothesis was how the
No.
angle of the sunlight.
No, that's a question. Give us what's your hypothesis?
If the angle of the sunlight increases, then the thermometer changes because the sunlight hits the thermometer.
When you say the angle of the sunlight increases, can you explain what it is? How can the angle of the sunlight increase? What do you mean? Maybe use a chalk or something. Explain us how the angle of sunlight increases.
The temperatures changes.
How does the angle of sunlight increase? Demonstrate with a drawing or something. Are those 3 drawings that you have there? Show us how the angle is increasing. In which one is the angle increasing and in which one is the angle decreasing? Anyone in here knows what's the angle? You know what's the angle? What's the angle? Go show me. Thank you. You have 3 things there, all 3 of them have 3 different angles.
Any questions?
Yes, read the purpose.
Oh, our purpose was because we was trying to find the temperature, how high or low it is, and we wanted to know more about temperature.
Okay, give them a round of applause. Now comes the question part. Okay? Question part. I hope you all are ready for us. Make sure you all have
Elisa,
good question.
How does the angle of sunlight affect
Maybe they don't understand, so maybe use your drawings and demonstrate. How does it affect temperature? Maybe draw the sun again. Move the poster a bit to the side and maybe draw it bigger but quick. Yeah, do it fast. I explain you all this, so you all should be able to explain them. Give them a minute. The most science test will be taken from their this. How does the angle of sunlight affect temperature? Because they still don't understand. another question. You all have 3 thermometers. You all finish your drawing. Pull aside. I need to ask something about 1, 2, and 3. You all have 3 thermometers. One that had a big angle, number 1. One that had an in-between angle, number 2. And one that had number 3, the smallest angle. My question is, in which one of them, I didn't hear them mention the will, in which one of them was the temperature the highest out of those 3? Show us in the drawings. Which one? Show us in the drawings. 1, 2, or 3? There was a stand. 1. So boys and girls, you're saying thermometer number 1, the one that had a big angle that was standing up straight, the temperature was highest. Do you all know why?
No, teacher.
Yes,
Because it was straighter, and when the sunlight hit it, it's shorter for the sun to hit that one.
Okay, let them demonstrate it with the drawing now. Quickly. No, bring it down some more. Let me have a bit else. Erase this one. Oh, this is Make sure you all know this. It will be on the test. So I hope they explain it good. Okay, explain us with those 3 drawings. Focus. Let's go.
Which one is the longest
What? They don't know what you're talking
one?
about. The rays from the sun?
Yeah.
So when you look at the drawing, the rays from the sun. In which one of those drawings does the ray have traveled along it? 3. Number 3?
Yes.
So what effect would that have? Let's say that was Earth. What effect would that have on that country? That was country number 3. What effect would that have on country number 3? How would that happen? It will be cooler. Why? The ray of the sun has to travel a longer distance. In which country will it be hotter? Country number 1, 2, or 3? Country number 1. Why? The ray has a shorter distance. So now, I come with the rest of my questions. Are y'all finished? Have more questions? Okay, Xavier, let's go.
What was the temperature for the experiment?
Yeah, you can't hear. The rest of you be still. You only want to hear David.
What was the temperature before the child experiment?
So the temperature of each one, I guess you would have to tell them. Quickly. Number 1 was. You all have graph there. Read the graph.
100 F. Every 2 minutes it goes higher.
Oh, you all didn't explain that. Explain that part. You all have to check. This great movie.
The blue is the highest one because blue is 7 to 1 and it's shorter. Goes there and the sun beam on it goes. The red is 10 to 2. It's a little bit higher in height than blue.
Siobhan, this
What you
Alex.
see
I want
at
to
the
be.
third one in the
I want to be.
yes, we can see.
So in your free time, you all will go and have a look at it. They're showing you thermometer 1 is represented with which color?
The blue.
Blue. Thermometer color is represented with which color? Red. And thermometer 3 is? Yellow. So there you can see like they are all rising up every 2 minutes.
Has to do with earth shape.
That was one of my questions you stole.
What does temperature has to do with earth shape?
Yes. Let me rephrase it again. That was one of my questions she stole. How does the shape of the earth affect temperature?
Because Holland is cold because Holland is somewhere here and the sun are getting it so good and that's why
And where's the Martin?
No. There. Right under it.
Follow what Priscilla saying.
Right under it.
It shows how the rays are hitting St. Martin compared to how the rays are hitting Holland.
So if it's hitting it so good,
Did not hit the sun red is not hitting it. So rain it further.
Okay. Give them a round of applause. Give them a round of applause. Right.
What is insulation?
The solar system is closer to a planet that's called insolation. A planet that's closer to the solar system is called insolation.
Equator. If you all were listening, you all would know.
What's called an equator?
So what's the equator?
The equator is the middle of the earth.
Oh, secret.
Up is north and the south pole is down. When the sun will hit a little to the north pole for the dark and the south pole, well,